Alex.
Hi.
A bunch of our guests are looking to buy new snow tires for their brand new Toyotas, and they don't know where to start. What's your advice?
Well, it depends on how you're going to be using your Toyota. If it's mainly for in-town driving, then you're going to want an average Joe tire. The biggest one that I'd sell here at Toyota is the BF Goodrich KSI. For something more of a highway tire, I recommend the Bridgestone Blizzak or the Michelin X Ice Snow. The great thing about the BF Goodrich KSI is it's great in town, it's good on the highway, it just checks all the boxes in the right areas. The Bridgestone Blizzak, the reason that tire is probably being named the #1 snow tire the last 5 years running is because it's quiet, affordable, and lasts a great long time. Not every snow tire is going to fit the boxes for everyone. For the best advice, I always recommend calling your service department to ask your service advisor what tire is best for you.